Xorkee registration for iOS users. In the App Store, search for the Xorkee app and tap the Get button next to it. Open the app after installation. It displays a brief welcome screen. Click Proceed in the registration page. Xorkee asks for permission to send you notifications for authorization. Tap Continue and then Allow. You can use your fingerprint, Face ID or set a 6-digit PIN to protect your digital signature key. Enter your desired Xorkee handle. This handle is a string used for identifying your key. It can contain letters, numbers and some special characters like underscore, @ dot and hyphen. Tap Register. If the handle is already taken, you will have to enter a different handle. Tender your touch or Face ID or enter the Xorkee PIN which you have set. Your handle is now successfully registered in Xorkee. Xorkee app installs a key in your iPhone. If you wish to use your DSC token, we recommend you to use it on a Mac, Windows, Ubuntu system or on an Android phone.